Picked up some goodies from the powder coater. These came out in a month. So the ones on the car are supercharged rocker covers. I tried to fill in the writing, but they didn't work, so I've gone back to the classic 16 valve red top ones or blue top ones. Plan to machine off the face of the writing so it's a bit shiny. I've already put holes and nuts in for the coil packs, so they should make it look a bit nicer, a bit crisper. Subframe is now off, engine is suspended, crank pulley and cam gear are off the crank. Now to take the sump off. I'm flipping oil everywhere. Oh, one side's caked in oil, so one of the reasons being that front seal is stuffed. And there's a nick inside of the sump right there. So it'd be good to tidy it up.
My body like ice water. Baby, now you be my brain buster. Driving me softly in the Range Rover.
Come on, I see the stars, but only you shine. Fine girl with a pretty smile. Shine on me, I like this to start. The moment I saw you, I knew you'd be mine. Girl, you're my one in a million. My love for you no go change like a chameleon. If you stay with me, I'm gonna stay with you. If you be my girl, I'm gonna be your man. Wait, to the beat, I'm in love with you. Gonna beat, I'm stuck out here with you. I could have beat it, I'm wasting my time. I let it on, you go, they show me attitude. Friend zone, come on. Don't put me in the friend zone. Girl, I'm better than the rest, oh well, let's go. I'm gonna hold your hands and never let it go.
Progress update. Sump is now on. Resealed, front seals back on. And now just to bolt everything back up. Give everything a good clean so it's not oily again. See it stays like that.
Confusion, front on your back now commotion. The way you want your biggie body make me addicted. Step in the place cause confusion, front on your back now commotion. The way you want your biggie body makes me addicted. My brain buster, no cool in my body like ice water. Baby, now you be my brain buster. Driving me softly in the Range Rover. You got me doing papa-do. Baby, what's in I go do now? Papa-do. Tell me what's in I go do now? Papa-do. Baby, what's in I go do now? Tell me what's in I go do without you.
Give me yakin at the cow. Rolling it, jagged and keep and by the towel sheet. Ko a Sony, ko a Guinea, Babu Shaka. Kekewa so yeah na de daddy. Tapi suma zaki, tapi suka daddy. Kay one nyami ya kiseki na de baki. Dege ave watu a gabas. Leave the inner song kid bus. Because of you I stop with double date. If you stay with me, not to the celebrate. We could come together, we could cooperate. This bond, this strong, no separate. Napasa mata hanta. Vacated like you said, Akuna Matapanka. Akuna Matata. Akuna Matata. Nina Santa.
No cool in my body like ice water. Maybe now you be my brain buster. Driving me softly in the Range Rover. You got me doing papa-do. Baby, what's in I go do now? Papa-do. Tell me what's in I go do now?
Just gave the girl a good wash, since hasn't been washed since going to Auckland last weekend, so about time it got a wash. Pretty filthy. Looking pretty spickled now. Finished last night the sump and everything, so it's all back on. Drove it this morning. It's working as it should. No oil leaks. But it seems to be now that either my stem seals are gone, valve stem seals are gone, or I've got shitty rings or something, because on decel it's actually now blowing smoke out the back. So yeah, next on the list, figure out what that is. Could be stem seals, I don't know if they've ever been done. Got the engine as being rebuilt, and it turns out it wasn't really that well. So the head's only been off once when I did a head gasket, but I don't know if the stem seals have been done or not, so wouldn't be surprised if they haven't been done and they're just shitty old ones. And now they're letting oil pass, so might order some stem seals and give that a go, give it a crack while it's actually on the car. Can get to them without taking the head off, so it's just whether the valves are going to drop into the engine or not. So we'll see what happens there. Apart from that, she's all going well. No more oil leaks, which is nice. It's clean underbody instead of oily underbody. Oh, I also put the rocker covers on. Might as well show the hooves to you now. You do something about that rubber grommet that holds the old stay in. It's not too good, so they're pulling out. Yeah, there's the rocker covers now. So took to lead writing with a file. It's quite a coarse file clamp device. Coarse file, fold it down, and then a smoother file to sort of smooth it off. So they're all on there. The whole bit a lot better than what the other ones did. And then yeah, also the factory centre plate, which I welded some nuts in before and got painted. So just need to make some spaces now to hold these down because they're quite sealed down on it. Yeah, looking a lot nicer.
Because of you, I stop with double date. If you deal with me, not to celebrate. We could come together, we could cooperate. This bond, this strong, no separate. Napasa mata hanta. Located like you said, Akuna mata panka. Akuna matata. Akuna matata. Nina Sump. Look cool in my body like ice water. Maybe now you be my brain buster. Driving me softly in the rain.